In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to build a store with AI using the Atlas app on the Shopify App Store. So when you get to the dashboard, you can go here to these tools here and click Build AI Store under this AI Store Builder card. Once you get to this page, the first step is selecting your language. We have many different languages that we support. So if you're selling a product in a different country or you just speak a different language, you can select that language. The next step is to select the product source. Now, as you can see, we have one of 4 different product sources that we can choose from. We can either choose a Shopify product that's already on our store, and we can just generate a store like that. We can choose multiple products from our Shopify store if we are trying to generate a multi-product store, or if we want, we can generate a store directly from a product link. So if you go over to AliExpress and copy a link to a product, you can just paste that link here and then click proceed and generate a store like that. Same thing applies for Amazon and Alibaba. As of now, you cannot generate a multi-product store using links. You have to use Shopify products. So it would be best to import the products from AliExpress or Alibaba first into Shopify, and then you can create a multi-product store. For the purpose of this video, we're going to create a single product store with a Shopify product. We'll click select and it will automatically start generating our store. Right now, what our AI is doing is conducting market research, reading your product description, your product title, analyzing your product images, and putting together a product profile. Then it determines who is the best fit customer to buy this product and what type of problems do these people have. It's going to use all of this market research, and then it's going to inject all of that relevant information directly into your store so that your store is conversion rate optimized. Now that the store is done, we're going to have to select our images. So it's going to pre-select all of the images from the Shopify product, but if you want to add more images from your computer, you can simply do so just like that. Just another note, you must select a minimum of 4 images. Once we have all the images that we want, we can click proceed. At this point, you can see the store that was just generated with AI. All of the copy on this store was generated uniquely just now. This store was built on our premium Atlas theme 2.0, and it's our best theme yet, but we're constantly working on this theme to make it even better. At this point, you can select color presets, or if you want, you can just select your own colors here. As you can see, anytime you make an edit over here, it will update your store. You can also go through these different tabs to customize your store one section at a time. Although, a quick note, it is much easier to customize your store inside of the Shopify's theme editor as opposed to here. However, if you're going through your store and you see something that you want to change really quick, for example, a headline, you can do so very easily. When you're finished making all of the necessary edits on this page, you can go ahead and click Launch Your Store. Now, just a quick note, this is not going to publish your store live immediately. So if you already have a storefront that your customers are previewing currently, this is not going to replace that storefront. You're still going to have to go into your online store sales channel and manually hit publish. So we'll go ahead and click Launch Your Store, and then you just confirm that. And then at this point, it will begin to import your store. Once again, do not close out this page. Now, as you can see, our store import was successful. And at this point, we can either go back to our dashboard or we can go ahead and publish the store. If you're feeling generous, you can also leave us some good feedback at this point. Or if you ran into an issue, you can click bad and we will chat with you and see what your issue was and then help you solve it. So let's go ahead and publish our store. As you can see, this is the store that was added just now. If you want to publish this store to your live store so that your customers can see it, all you would have to do is hit publish and then hit publish again. If you want to further customize this store before you do publish it, you can just hit customize, and then you can begin customizing this store however you see fit. And that is how you build a store using the Atlas AI Store Builder. In the next video, we're going to show you how to generate additional single AI product pages for that store.